Hi everyone, it's Katrina from the Alluring Bee Boutique, and I'm here today to do a little something different. I've been working on a series of product reviews for this company called BeebeeCraft, and this is their website, BeebeeCraft.com. They had asked me to would I be interested in doing some product reviews of some of their items, and I said sure, I'd be more than happy to. Something new for me. I haven't really done this before. But anyhow, so I've been working on the reviews for the products that I have been sent from them so far. But I did want to add a little bit into you and show you guys about their gorgeous website. So basically, you just go to BeebeeCraft.com, as you can see up here in the address bar. And this brings you to their great homepage. They have a slider here that shows you different things, but most importantly, what it's showing you is that they have a nice big sale going on right now. That screen will be back in just a minute. Right here, you see they have up to 75% off for their USA warehouse products, and they do ship from some items from China, but they also ship from the United States. So this is their website. Um, they've got such a variety of different items on here that you can find very useful. It's not just for beaders. They have stuff for sewers. They have paperworking crafts. They have soap molding, all kinds of stuff. It's just really interesting website with tons of inexpensive supplies that you can purchase. Um, the first thing that I did was I went ahead and created an account. So I'm already logged in, but let me log out and I'll show you what it normally looks like when you first get here. If you're on the home page, you will see right here that it says log in or register. So I already have an account, but if you don't, you'll want to click on register and sign up for an account. And then I'm going to click over here. Since I have mine, I'll click on login. It brings you to the login screen. From the screen, you can also click right here to create an account. All you need to put in is your first and last name, your email, and your password, and you're good to go. And I'll go ahead and log in. And now you'll see that I have some numbers here by my cart, and I have some by this thing called Love List. So first off, I'm going to just click over to the cart. And in the cart right now, I have the items. The top four items are the ones that BeebeeCraft sent to me to do my product reviews. I have a couple of extra down here of things that I'm interested in purchasing. And it's really easy to edit your list. You can see right here there's a little trash can. If there's something on there you want to take off, you just click that. Then you'll get a pop-up that asks you, do you really want to delete the item? You can say okay or cancel. We'll just cancel for now. Then also, as you're shopping along, if you find something that you like and you're not really interested in purchasing it right at the moment, they have a lovely little feature here called the Love List. So I'll click on that. Now, as you can see, I have several things in this Love List. Just stuff that I found while I was searching around, trying to pick out things to do the product reviews on. So I just added them into this cute little list here. And so they're right at my fingertips every time I come back and log in. Now, while you're on this page, you'll see that it actually brings you to your account page as well. Here's your dashboard. Here's where you can check your previous orders or your current orders. You can add your shipping addresses here on the address book. You can view and change your account information and coupons, cash account. I'm not sure what those are, but you can click on them to find out. That is if you have a balance, like if you have some credit, I guess it would show here. No coupons. I don't have any coupons found. If I had a coupon code, I could add it here. All right, so let's go back to the home page. There's some pretty cool stuff over here. They show you what their weekly flash sale is right here as you scroll down below the slider. They have some videos here that from other people that have done videos. Hopefully you'll see one of mine up here before too long. Here's where someone had done a bead haul review. And here's one from a lady. She had also received some products for product review from BeebeeCraft. And she showed a few products, projects that she completed. So that's kind of interesting. You roll down a little further, they've got a little slider with their best-selling items. You can come down a little further, and here are their featured categories, like crafts, clasps, glass beads, earring settings, tools and supplies, and stringing materials. And they have lots of chain, all kinds of things. If you roll back up on the main menu bar here at the top, you can shop by brand, you can shop the hot sales, you can shop by crafts, stringing materials, tools and supplies. And if you'll notice when you hover over each one, it gives you a little drop down to help you drill down a little bit further. Sorry, folks. Um, then we have the tools and supplies here. They have storage and packaging, jewelry display, all kinds of stuff, lots of different tools. Then you can go to findings, and they have tons of findings. Panda Hall is one of their brands that they sell here. So all of the Panda Hall items that you see normally, like on Amazon, you could do like a one-stop shop over here and get tons of stuff. And then they have your jewelry beads. You can drill down here by category, where you can just hit the beads like this right here, and it will drill it down for you right below, just like this, and it gives you all the categories right there. And then when you're into these pages, you can actually drill down further by seller, newest, price, etc. On sale. You can go by brand right here, choose the brands. You can choose your material. They have really great drill downs on their website. But like here are the little rondelles that I'm doing a product video on. So let me just show you something. We'll click on that, and I'll show you how you get something added to your love list. So once you click on the item, and you'll notice here, first off, the first thing you notice is they give great product information. They tell you a lot right here, and then you can roll down and they give you even more information right down below. It's really, really a great website. They've got it laid out well. They've put a ton of work in it. And they also have these social share buttons, which is really neat. But say you wanted to get these rondelles, but you didn't want to do it today. All you have to do is add it to your love list. The trick to this is you'll need to have an account created, and you'll need to be signed into it in order for it to save the item to your love list. So I'll just go ahead and click right here, add to the love list. And then you notice once it's in my list, this changes, and now it says view my love list. So that's pretty neat. So now when we go back to my list, it's right there at the top. So that's a new item added in. So it's pretty neat. If we go back to the item itself, you'll see that they always give you a couple of extra options in here. I'm sorry, you guys, my phone is just like acting crazy. But anyhow, they give you some different options, like you can choose by size right here, diameter there, or you can choose these little color options here, and it will switch you over to the related product. And I just find that their website is done extremely well, and it's worth a checkout. And so I want you guys, that's all I'm going to show you for today. I just wanted to give you an quick overall view of how things are laid out over here. And stay tuned for the product reviews on the items that I have currently, and some project videos coming using these great items from BeebeeCraft. All right, guys, so that is it for right now. You guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.